Welcome back, lads and ladies, to another episode of Wild Women Wet Shaving. It has been a fresh Prince of Bel-Air minute since the last time I showed you a fantastic shave. So without further ado, let's shave. Shaving. Happy Thursday, ladies and gentlemen. It is a beautiful night out, so I figured why be inside shooting this when I can shave indoors and talk outdoors. So let's do that. So for today's episode of Wild Women Wet Shaving, I shaved with not one but two shaving creams, and both of them can be used with or without a brush. So I figured why not use an amazing brush and have two different but fantastic shaves. I sound so old. So for the first shaving cream, I used the Taylor of Old Bond Street shaving cream in a tube. This is the sandalwood, and it is amazing. So Taylor of Old Bond Street is one of the shaving creams that I first started out with. I started with the rose or the grapefruit, either one. Amazing lather, great results, but I've never tried it in a tube until now. When it came to using my Fendrihan brush and the Taylor of Old Bond Street, I found that it lathered up really, really well, super quickly, and nice and foamy. I didn't find it all that cushiony. You really felt the aggression of the razor and the razor blade combo. But if I had to take this shaving cream traveling, not only could I at 75 mils, but I would, because it's good stuff. Next shave was the Speick, right, Husk? He taught me how to say this, and I still feel like I'm saying it wrong, but apparently I'm saying it correctly. So Speick and my Fendrihan shaving brush really paired well together. The shave felt really nice together. The Speick and the Fendrihan shave brush do a really good job at lathering up the ingredients really quickly. It felt really nice on the face. The hot towel really helped to really open those pores. Between the two, Taylor of Old Bond Street from London, England, or Speick from Made in Germany. I'm not gonna try and pronounce that. I will just Made in Germany, Made in England. I would go for the Speick. I mean, the lather up is really good. The aftershave feel is fantastic. I really can't complain. I think that might be 2 for 2. For all the other goodies that I used, my slant bar razor from Merkur, great razor, really nice to shave with. Paired it with Astra Platinum razor blades. Astra Platinum is in the green package. Really nice shave, a bit aggressive, so I don't tend to find that I need aggressive razor blades in an aggressive shaver. I still find the Astras a bit too aggressive, so I would probably pair this with a Derby blade or Ilios blades, but I don't think I would go this aggressive again. My Timeless razor bowl, it's got these really cool, I've learned my lesson. It's got these really cool grooves in it, so when you're lathering, you really know that you're picking up shaving cream or shaving soap. In this instance, the shaving cream, it needed the little rigid bumps in there in order to help it pick up on the brush, or kind of what I just in the bowl. So thank you so much, Timeless Razor, for creating a bowl worth using. After shave bomb. I don't know if you can see that. Porter Prince from Sterling. When I use an aggressive shaver, I automatically reach for an aftershave balm or lotion. Anything that's got a texture to it and that isn't just a liquid, I need that extra moisturizing properties in the lotion that I don't get with the splashes. So thank you so much, Sterling, for keeping my gams glorious. Okay, lads and ladies, thank you again so much for watching another episode of Wild Wimble Wet Shaving. Wild family, we are growing huge on Instagram, not so much here on YouTube. So please go ahead and share this video, like and comment, pass it around to all your friends, because, you know, men shaving is a thing, but lady shaving is a sexy thing. So let's bring sexy back. All right. Thank you again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you handsome lads and you beautiful ladies in the next video. Bye.